Drink this before bedtime and lose weight overnight with just 2 ingredients. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to lose your weight. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and now mix all the ingredients very well until the powder disappears. And drink it before bedtime. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.